Welcome back. Tericol residents have said a big no to the government's proposed golf course at Tericol. They have appealed for an intervention of the church. They have a condition: land in return of land. The residents claim that the project will not serve good for the residents of Tericol. Moreover, they have no faith in politicians and the bureaucrats. Residents have also threatened severe agitation if their demands are not met.
The potential golf course project of the tourism department at Tericol is running through rough weather. Tenants are opposing the project, claiming that it will destroy their village. President of St. Anthony Tenant Mudkar Association, Francis Rodriguez, said that Tericol land is a tenant land and that land cannot be sold for project. He also alleged that bureaucrats are hand in glove with the New Delhi-based leading hotels to set up a PGA standard golf course.
90% agricultural tenanted आहा. लोकांची ऑर्डरी जाल्यात, लोकांक सनात मेवल्यात. हे सगळे जावन आयज 18-20 वर्सां जाल्यात. आणि तरी सुद्धा आता कोणाच्या आधारान आणि कितें जावन कितें करून ही जी ऑर्डरी आमच्यो ब्युरोक्रेट्सान सेट असाइड केल्यात. हे खोटेपण आमच्या ऑफिसांनी चालता.
Villages are open for eco-tourism in Tericol, not a golf course.
आमी हांगा डेव्हलपमेंट जावचे अशेंय बी हा ते कशें जावचे आमच्या लोकांक जाय ते तरेचें डेव्हलपमेंट जावचे आमी लेगून मुटलें की हांगा एक 5 स्टार जावचे.
Legal advisor of St. Anthony Tenant Mudkar Association, Advocate Prasad Shahpurkar, claimed that nearly 1 lakh square meters of land was converted into non-agricultural land. Remaining 11.5 lakh square meters of land is with the tenants. Residents are in no mood to leave their tenancy right for golf course and want to fight the battle legally.
ह्या गावात असे 2 गट जाल्ले आसात ज्या लोकांनी आपलो हक्क सोडला आणि ज्या लोकांनी आपलो हक्क सोडून त्या टेनंट मुडकार असोसिएशन ज्या लोकांनी हक्क सोडला ती एरिया टेनंट फ्री लिडिंगान करून घेतलेली आसा. अशी जवळ 1,30,000 आय मे बी इट एप्रोक्सिमेट अशी एरियाज कन्वर्ट जाल्ली आसा. तर उरिल्ली एरिया अजून टेनंटेड एरिया और टेनंट फ्री जावपाची आसा.
St. Anthony Tenant Mudkar Association has now appealed before the church for an intervention to save identity of Tericol village.
आमी अजून मेरेन आर्क बिशपाक मेवंक ना पण हाचे फुडें आर्क बिशपाक मेवपाचे आहा. त्या भायर आमचे इगोर्जेन सोशल एपोस्टोलेट म्हणून आहा आणि ती सोशल एपोस्टोलेटान आमकां सांगला सगळो तुमकां हें दिता म्हणून आधार दिता म्हणून.
Meanwhile, Congress has also opposed this project at Tericol. Ironically, the project was initiated during the Congress regime way back in the year 2008. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Karnataka wants to discuss and sort out Madai issue with the Goa government. The incumbent Congress-led government, after taking the reins of the state, signalled for the talks. They feel taking legal recourse will only harm interests of the people of the disputing states. Minister of Karnataka will soon meet the CM of Goa to discuss water sharing issues with regards to Madai. The Madai issue is currently before the Water Tribunal in Delhi.
Karnataka has been facing water sharing disputes for long with states such as Tamil Nadu, Goa, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. Asserting that interstate water sharing dispute cannot be resolved legally, Minister for Major and Medium Irrigation M.B. Patil has said that the state government's emphasis is on resolving the disputes through negotiations. At the same time, we will ensure that the interests of Karnataka are not sacrificed. Patil also stated that the state government is getting positive response from the Maharashtra government on water issues. He said he would soon meet the chief ministers of Goa and Andhra Pradesh too to discuss water sharing issues. Environmentalists claim that Karnataka has continued Kalsa-Bandura water diversion project despite Supreme Court and Tribunal's clear stay. Matter has been debated before the Water Tribunal in Delhi with hearing scheduled at the year end. Now it would be interesting to see Goa government's response to the Karnataka's move. Bureau Report, Prudent.
The High Court has admitted state government's appeal against trial court's verdict in Sameer Mapari murder case. According to Goa police, main accused Rajesh Desai had murdered Mapari on 31st of July 2007. Additional Sessions Judge Madgaon had acquitted all 3 accused in his judgment dated 20th February this year.
The High Court has accepted state government's appeal challenging acquittal of Rajesh Desai and 2 other co-accused in Sameer Mapari case. The High Court has directed all three accused to take bail from additional session judge. But the High Court has also directed them to remain present in the court at any time of final hearing of the appeal. The High Court has not fixed date of final hearing as yet. Additional Sessions Judge Margaon had acquitted all three accused in his judgment dated 20th February this year, saying that the prosecution failed to establish identity of the found body as of victim Samir Mapari's body. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.